Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a wallet app that explicitly supports TRC20 tokens. Use Tron Link or Trust Wallet for mobile or browser extensions. Download the official app from the App Store or Browser Extension Store. Open the app and choose Create New Wallet to begin. Create a strong password for local encryption and quick access. The app will show a seed phrase next. Write that seed phrase on paper and store it offline in a safe location. Treat the seed phrase as the single key to your funds and protect it carefully. Never store the phrase digitally or in cloud notes where it can be hacked. Keep multiple physical copies in separate secure locations like a safe or locked drawer. Do not share the seed phrase or private keys with anyone for any reason. In your wallet settings, enable PIN, biometric, or passcode locks for app access. Consider enabling extra security features like transaction whitelists if the wallet supports them. Before receiving TRC20 UST, fund the wallet with a small amount of TRX for network fees. Open the token management area and search for UST, then choose the TRC20 token option. Add TRC20 UST to your main token list so it displays in the wallet interface. Locate the Receive button and copy your Tron wallet address exactly. Send a small test transfer of UST to confirm everything works before moving larger sums. After a successful
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.